Everyone needs to get adjusted. Even ourselves need to get adjusted, okay? So today we're gonna get charisma adjusted, and apparently I'm in the wrong room. So let's go to the correct room, all right? So come on with me. We're gonna adjust her in this room over here. See, in our office, every room is labeled, so we make it easy. When you look down the hall, look at this. You notice how this is room 1, 2, 3, 5, right? So when we tell you which room to go to, it's easy. You just walk right in, right? When you come in, every room is almost the same. Here's the thing. When you first come in, you place your visit tracker card on this one right here. Don't put it over there because that one is where I put my files, right? When you come in, you also put, every room has an amazing, beautiful bowl, okay? That's where you put your wallet, keys, belt, everything goes on here. Set all your stuff over here behind every door. We also have a hook for your purse, for your jackets, right? And the reason why I'm showing you this is because you need to know where things are in here. Now you look at that pillow, right? Who's that pillow for? I want to show you this. I think a lot of patients are wondering who this pillow's for. Yes, I noticed she's still laying here. It's okay. This is for pregnant mommies, right? So for the 3 pregnant mommies that we have right now, gives them an amazing adjustment. They'll usually say, well, this is the first time I get to lay face down for a long time. So let's get her adjusted. How about that? All right. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check her leg length here, see how out of whack and out of balance she is, right? You can see this leg is about 1/2 inch higher than this one over here. So I'm going to mark that on the computer just so you're wondering. We really record everything that we're seeing and we transfer the x-rays and the x-ray listings into the computer. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to make her adjustments here. All right. So we're going to start working on the pelvis first, right in here. We're correcting the alignment of the pelvis, working on the ligaments. And then we're going to work on the other side. We have the sacrum as well. Okay. We're going to work on this right here. And then the sit bone as well. Now we're going to move into the lower back. Now, if you don't have any listings that need to be adjusted, we start moving up the spine. But she does need to be adjusted right in here. Take a deep breath in, breathe out, breath in, breathe out. Now we're going to work on her mid back. We know exactly where these bones are because we put markers and BBs on them so that they light up on the x-ray. Breath in, breath in, and out. Once more, and out. There we go. Okay. Now I'm going to check her feet again. Look how balanced her feet is now compared to before. It's completely balanced. The lines are completely balanced now. Turn your head to the right and to the left. Okay, come on up. Now, if you come back over here, for her, the rotator cuff has always been a problem for her, and we need to work on that to relieve the tension on these muscles over here and unlock the whole rotator cuff. You know, every once in a while, we just need some extra help, right? Don't we all? And now we're going to work on her neck. And from the x-ray, we can tell that her neck, there's a certain amount of rotation and also her neck tilts a certain way. We're going to confirm that through palpation. And now we're going to make the adjustments right here. Here we go. Takes a lot of finesse. So I'm going to stop talking for a moment. There we go. Some of you who are patients, you probably realize that when I'm adjusting your neck, I don't even breathe because you need to be completely steady while you're making the adjustment. Oh. It's perfect. All right, here we go. And that's what an adjustment looks like, you know? So for those of you who think that in order to get adjusted, you've got to be twisted and cracked and pop, someone's gonna jump on you, maybe do a WWE wrestling move on you. It's not gonna be like that here, okay? So if you're ever thinking about, should I get adjusted, should I not? Well, chances are, if you're thinking about it, you're gonna need it.